Side hustles are one of the best ways to increase your income so you can pay off debt, save up for a big purchase, grow your retirement savings, or reduce your financial stress. Here are 5 side hustles you can start in 2022. Number 1. Run Facebook ads. Running Facebook ads for small businesses is simply digital marketing through Facebook. Many small business owners lack the resources and time it takes to run an effective ad strategy. You can make around $1,000 to $1,500 per month or client with just a few hours of work each week. Digital marketing on Facebook includes finding and acquiring clients, creating effective ads, testing your ads, maintaining client relationships. Number 2. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy inventory. The manufacturer also ships the product directly to the customer. This business requires choosing a niche, creating your website, finding and importing high-quality products from suppliers, and promoting your venture. Many dropshippers make up to $100,000 per year with a successful dropshipping store. You can use Shopify's platform to build your e-commerce site. Start dropshipping today by clicking on Shopify's link in the description. Number 3. Start a Twitch stream. Twitch is a site where you can stream yourself playing video games. Twitch has more than 15 million daily active users. Like YouTube, you can make money off displaying adverts at the start of your Twitch videos. It's an Amazon-owned platform. It's also really easy to create Amazon affiliate links to games or other products. You might even be able to pick up sponsorship deals if you can rack up enough views. A successful Twitch streamer can make $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Number 4. Become a social media manager. Brands and companies need someone to manage their social media presence. Tasks of a social media manager such as set up accounts, scheduling and creating posts, creating images, analyzing data on traffic, creating ads, and more. New social media managers can make anywhere from $15 to $40 per hour based on services you offer, and experienced ones can earn upwards of $150 per hour. Upwork, Fiverr, freelance sites, and Facebook groups are some great platforms for finding social media manager jobs. Number 5. Create an online course. Many course creators will earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month by selling their online courses on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, Thinkific. The great thing about selling online courses is you only have to invest your time and money in the initial stage. Once your online course is created and listed online, you can sell it again and again without spending another dime. If you found something helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you want to see more interesting personal finance videos, then make sure to press the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to press bell icon. What other side hustles do you know? Tell us in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.